BM English Speaking Radio Channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachiti and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 29 of season 3. Today's word is immense. The word immense means extremely large, great, huge, or vast. It could be with reference to the size of an object or even a feeling or an emotion. With BM English Speaking Radio Channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word immense. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Immense is spelled as I-M-M-E-N-S-E. When we want to mention something in large quantities or high levels of emotions, we can use the word immense to describe it. Immense stands for great quantities or extremely high volumes. For example, during the rush hours, there is immense traffic on the road, or the pastures means land covered with grass were immensely green. This means that there was a lot of grass, trees, and greenery on the open areas of land. We can understand the meaning of immense with the help of this example. Dimple was about to appear for her first job interview. She had not prepared for it, hence was immensely nervous. If she had done her research well and had studied her subject well, she would have been immensely confident. Listen carefully how we can use the word immense in 8 different forms in 8 different situations. Example number 1 of 8. The school had always its students in merit list. Hence the teachers laid a lot of stress on academics. Because of that, the students were under immense pressure to perform well academically. Example number 2 of 8. The pollution levels have increased immensely, that now it has become crucial to take immediate measures to control and minimize it. Example number 3 of 8. The managing director started his speech by saying, "It gives me immense pleasure to share our company's success with the whole team." Can you guess what does he mean by that? It means he said that he was extremely or greatly happy to share the success with his employees. Example number 4 of 8. Molly was a poet. When asked, she would say that she gets all her ideas when she sat on the beach. She would feel extremely peaceful when she sat on a beach for hours. What does this mean? Yes, you got it right. Molly would feel immensely peaceful when she sat on the beach for hours. Imagine what all you can learn once you enroll with BM English Speaking Institute. English phrases and idioms, business English, sentence structure, speak English fluently and confidently, effective communication skills, email drafting courses, interview and GD success training. To download this transcript, visit podcast section of our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com. Example number 5 of 8. The Grand Canyon is immensely vast and is a treat to your eyes. Example number 6 of 8. Some research states that Venezuela and Saudi Arabia have the world's largest reserves of oil. This means that these countries are blessed with immense oil reserves. Example number 7 of 8. Factories consume immense electricity in order to run their machines for production or manufacturing. Example number 8 of 8. One research suggests that during the year-end sale, people spend immense amount of their savings on shopping. This generally leads to customers getting some of the best deals. Today we learn the word immense, which means extremely large, great, huge, or vast. It could be with reference to the size of an object or even a feeling or an emotion. Can you frame 3 sentences with immense and type in our comments box? We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to boost your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. Do subscribe to our podcast, bmenglish Speaking Radio, and stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. This was episode number 29 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be sharing one vocabulary episode daily at 6 am Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow with a new word. Till then, take care.